intimidate me, 'cause I be the blood of a winner. I can feel it all running through my veins. I know this might sound a little crazy to ya. You wouldn't understand unless you was me.
I'm sick of all the bullies, sick of all the classists. I am done dealing with all of the bitch-assness. I am not a cool kid, I am cool if you ask them. Cool about casting, I never lasted. Cruise a 99, Aurora be the avenue. Fiends up and down the block searching for a bag or two. Girls selling essence, crazy what your habits attitude. Still your boy, always kept that happy attitude. Daydreaming about what I could achieve. Passing grades in every class, but they were all D's. Never felt the school books was the calling for me. Knowing in my blood, I need a college degree. So we'll make our own way, yeah, we'll make our own way. No, it's not a lot to y'all, but I done came a long way. Used to get lonely, now I like the space. Show the family that we can, think I'll finally find my place.
I'ma go as hard as I can, God. Tell the grim reaper come and take me. I'm not afraid of falling to the very bottom.